Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm going to be walking you through this real quick. What you just saw was I've already loaded all of the layers into it, changed to lighting mode, and now I'm just going through layer by layer, picking out what I want from each individual section of this photo shoot and just kind of editing out the rest. So this one is going to be with flash photos, so I don't want crazy highlights or anything on there. And I'm going to bring back the background because I did the flash for that. If you haven't seen the actual shoot itself, level 1 or 2, we're on level 3. This is the flash portion. So what I've just explained is basically what's going to happen in this. It's just going to be at a different level than the other ones. Now on the business side of this is my bread and butter. So I'll bring flash on set, most of the time set it up for a garage or just a really dark area, and most of the time I don't have anything in the background. It's just a nice black fall off behind it. And if there is anything in the background, I make sure to just change it to where you can't see that portion of it. So normally I'll charge anywhere between $400 to $750 for this kind of shoot, and I deliver 3 to 5 images per shoot. And that's a fully edited, ready to go. They can print it however they want. Now the second part of this would be if you wanted to get into print sales, but that's an entire topic all on itself. And so what you're seeing right now is I'm just bringing in extra elements back in to get the things that I want, like that part of the background. But it's pretty much done. So for the business side of it, that's what you can charge. Go for your high-end clients. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Go watch those other videos because this one has just ended. Thank you very much.